Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to edit navigation bar in Canva website. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Canva, you can use our link in the description down below and you may get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, navigation bar is very important for a website since it helps the users or your visitors to navigate easily onto your website. So Canva offers website making. So you can also create a website on Canva since this platform is all for one how do you call this website builder also, because this website is an all around content media creating platform. So you can also create website here and you can add navigation bar, and I'm going to show you how to do it properly. So now, first what you're going to do is to log into your Canva, of course, and if you already have created a website, you can just go to your designs right here, click your designs, and you will see all the website that you created. But if you didn't have any website, you can just create from a scratch, and it's just easy. You can use a templates. Canva also provides website templates. You can just go to templates and type website and enters, and as you can see, Canva will show you a website templates that you can use. And I'm just going, this is only a tutorial, so I'm just going to choose a random website templates. Let's use this. Okay, so here as you can see, it has different sections that you can integrate to your navigation bar, so that instead of scrolling, the users can just go to navigation bar and go to these sections instantly. So let me choose this template. So as you can see, for example, this is the website that I made. So actually, it has a navigation bar. There's only one tab I think you can click with the navigation bar. So let's just delete this one. And the navigation bar commonly found, of course, in the home page. So this is the home page. This is the first page of your website, or the first section of your website. So what we're going to do is to, let's just edit this uh, part right here so that we can you know make a space for our navigation bar. So yeah, let's put it right here, and we're going to insert our navigation bar right here. So it's perfect. So first, for aesthetics, let's just add a element, a shape, where we will input all of our navigation tabs. And right here, so this is our navigation bar. And now I'm going to input all of these sections right here, all of the shortcuts right here. So let's just extend it. And I'm going to add a text and a subheading. So go to text right here and add a subheading and add your first navigation tab. So of course, it should be homepage because this is the home page. So if they want to go to homepage, they can just click this text. So let's just change the color and also the size. So this is the home page. Let's just put it right here. Okay. And click duplicate for easy copy pasting. Okay. Okay, right there. So this is the home page, the first page that they will see. And the second one, about Studio Agato. So we can just add another navigation tab for shortcut of this. So let's just change the other text to about. Let's just about. It's just about us. All right. About us. And the third page should be our work. So also, let's put it right here. Our work. Let's just arrange this. Okay, our work, about us, and homepage. Make sure that it is aligned with each other so that it doesn't look messy. So our work, and also this is another section, so maybe we should leave this out, or maybe not. Okay, what we do. Let's just make this a brand. So let's put a navigation tab for this, and let's call it brands. And for the last, okay, what we do. Yeah, what we do. What we do. So this is all, this is the sections of this templates. And if your website uh, have a, for example, contact page or checkout page, etc., you can also add them right on your navigation bar. So this is my navigation bar, and for now this is just a text. So what we're going to do is to add a a link, a hyperlink that will redirect the users into a certain page that this tab indicates. So now, if you want to do that, so click on the text, right click, and go to link right here. And under this page, just click this one, this arrow right here. So it shows all the sections. So actually, this is the first section, and also this is the home page. So now we're going to click this one. So after you click that, click done, and as you can see, this text right here is already linked with this page right here, or section. So now on about us, for about us, so this is the about us section. So let's just so this is the section 2, so let's link it to section 2. So again, click the text, right click, and click link, or you can just press Control and K at the same time. And after that, just click this one, this arrow right here, so it shows the sections, and go to the second section, since this is the second section right here, the about us. Right, and click done. And now, same thing with our work. So our work is the third section. So let's just click our work, right click, link, click the arrow, and choose section 3. Click done. And now the brands, where the brand starts. So this is where the brand starts. So this is section 4. So now let's click brands, right click, go to link, choose section 4 right here, and click done. And last but not the least, what we do should be the last page and also the last section. So we can just go to link and click the last section right here, section 10. And yes, as you can see, all of the text right here is already hyperlinked, or you can just also add some designs right here. For example, homepage, you can just add an element. For example, house, whatever like that, house outline. Okay. Yeah, for example, like this, you can add, change the color. Yeah, so that it is, aesthetics, yeah, like that. And you can just add some indicator for the rest of the text, but it's up to you. So now, after you're done with this, you just need to publish it to save all of your work. And as you can see, if I click publish right here, so you need to add your own custom website URL. For example, my website, yes, my website studio, and click publish. And as you can see, it starts making my website. And yes, the website is now live, so I can just click view website. And as you can see, if I click on this text, it will redirect me to this page. So I'm already on this section or page right here. But if I click on about us, as you can see, I will be redirected to this section right here, the about us. Same thing with our work, same thing with brands, and same thing with what we do. So yes, as you can see, it's much easier to navigate on my website since I have a navigation bar right here. So navigation bar is very important in a websites for easy navigation. So yes, that's it. So that's how you can make a navigation. That's how you edit or make navigation bar on Canva website. And also that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.